Now that you have commissioned a new Wiser Home, this video will show you how to simply hand it over to the end user. To transfer ownership of the newly created Wiser Home to the end user, you can create a redeem code. The end user will later use the redeem code to take ownership of their Wiser Home. Tap the menu button in the top left corner, then tap Home Management. Tap on the Wiser Home you just created, then tap Transfer Home Ownership. Now tap Transfer through Redeem Code. Enable the redeem code to generate the code. Now you have the redeem code. If you know the contact details of the end user, you can transfer the Wiser Home ownership to them directly via email, SMS, or other options. Tap on Sharing Options. In the top right corner, select how you wish to transfer the redeem code. Enter the end user's details, then Send. If you do not have the end user's details or are not able to share the redeem code with the homeowner straight away, you can write it down onto the card that is provided in the Wiser Hub box, along with your company details for any follow-up. Leave this card with the Wiser Hub. They will be able to enter the code to gain access to their new Wiser Home. There are also some important things to know about the redeem code. Refer to the notices in the app for key points. Also, the Wiser by SE app has a limit of 20 Wiser Homes. Once the end user has taken ownership of their Wiser Home using the redeem code, the Wiser Home is automatically removed from your Wiser by SE app, and you'll receive a pop-up notification. One last step. If you had paired to the Wiser Hub on site using a pocket Wi-Fi or another phone's hotspot, you need to reset the Wi-Fi settings in the hub before you leave. This will allow the end user the option to use Wi-Fi to connect the Wiser Hub to their home router once they move in to their new home. To do this, simply press and hold the reset button with an eject pin for 5 seconds. Until the LEDs flash, then turn off. All 3 LEDs will come back on for approximately 40 seconds to reboot the hub. The Wiser system is now ready for the end user to connect. To learn more or for Wiser support, visit clipsal.com/wiser/install-support.